Buying land in Lagos is very mindful. One wrong move, you lost your hard-earned money just like that. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'll be walking you through step by step on how to buy land in Lagos without getting scammed. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shioma from JC Luxury Property. On this channel, I help you make smart real estate decisions that build wealth and peace of mind. So if you love content about property investing, land banking, smart real estate rules, hit that subscription button below and turn on the notification bell because I have got loads of helpful videos coming your way. Alright, let's dive straight into today's video. Let's be honest, Lagos is growing fast. Everyone wants a piece of land here. But where there is opportunity, there are also people waiting to take advantage of it. I have seen people lose millions simply because they do not understand how land transaction works. So before you rush and pay for any land, please listen carefully. This video could save you from years of regrets. Let's start with the most common land scam in Lagos and how you can avoid them. 1. The Omonile scam. Omonile, that is the Yoruba word for landowners. These are usually local family members or community representatives who claim that they have the right to sell the land. Sometimes they do, but most times they don't. You will pay one person and another family member shows up claiming that the land is not theirs to sell. Just like that, you are stuck in endless community drama. Remember this, just because someone has a receipt book does not mean they have the right to sell that land. The second one, the double sell scam. This one breaks hearts. Imagine buying a land, you have fenced it or even started building on it, and suddenly another person show up claiming that they bought the same land with their own documents. This happens because the land wasn't registered or properly verified. Both parties paid, but it is actually one person that owns the land. The other person loses everything. How to shake land in Lagos. Now, let's talk about what really protects you. If your papers are not correct, you do not own the land. That is simple. Here are 4 main documents you must check and verify. 1. Certificate of occupancy. This is government official proof that the land belongs to someone legally. If the land has a valid CFO, that means it is recognized by Lagos State government. 2. Governor's consent. When someone sells land to you, you must apply for governor consent. That is what transfers legal ownership from the old owner to you. Without this, you can't truly call the land yours. 3. A survey plan. A survey shows exact coordinates and the location of the land. Having a survey plan confirms that your land is not under government accusation or mapped out for a road. You can check this at Lagos State Survey General Office in Alausa. 4. Deed of assignment. These documents officially transfer ownership from the seller to you. Always have your lawyer prepare or review it. Do not use the seller's lawyer. They do not represent you. This is how proper checks save clients millions. Let me tell you a real life story. A client of mine found a beautiful plot in Ibejuleki, fenced, accessible and well priced. Everything was perfect, but something told me to double check. We ran a proper check and discovered that the land has been marked for government road expansion. It wasn't even supposed to be sold in the first place. If we do not verify, that client would have lost millions. That is why I said, don't let estimates replace due diligence. A few days of checking can save you years of pain. So, here is my advice to anyone buying land in Lagos. Don't rush. Verify every document. Use professional, a good realtor, a lawyer, and surveyor. And don't just buy land, buy peace of mind. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it to someone who needs it, and subscribe for more inside real estate tips like this. This is Realtor Shoma from JC Luxury Properties, helping you to buy right, live smart, and build wealth through real estate. See you in the next one.